Hello, I'm back with new video. So today we will discuss some commonly used data types in MySQL. So these are some commonly used data types which are char, varchar, date, integer and decimal. So we will discuss each of these one by one. So first we have char. In that this n is called the size which we are going to add. That for example, if you are adding char as 5 size, so we can add only 5 characters only. Alphabets and numbers we can both add inside this data type, and instead of that we have one more which is varchar. In that also we can add the alphanumeric values. That varchar means variable of an character type. That means that variable length character string is n, which is the maximum number of characters in the string type. So basically you can say that a string type of data we can add inside it, and in string we can add alphanumeric values, and these are the alphabetical values, but you can add numerical values also, but it is stored in the form of string format. Okay, and the next one is date. In date we can add the date in this format. First we are adding the year, then after the month, then after the day. So in this format we can add up the values. Then after we have the commonly used data type integer. In these we can add numbers only, and these numbers are adding up in this format, okay, in the decimal form. The decimal means 1 2 3 4. That's normally numbers which we are adding up inside it. I'm not talking about the octal numbers, the binary numbers. Normal decimal numbers we can add inside these integers. And we have decimal data type also. That means we can add fractional numbers also. Like if we have written 5 and 2 like this way, that means we can add 5 values first before the digit like this way, and after dot we can add 2 values, any number we can add. So this is the format 5 comma 2 which is written there. And you can read up the meaning of these also here. That fixed point numbers m, which is here, that represents the number of significant digit that are the stored for the value. The d represents the number of digits that can be stored following the decimal point after this. Okay, like this is m and this is d. And if the d is 0 or not specified, then the value doesn't contain any decimal part like this. Okay, so hope you understand these basic data types. Instead of these we have a lot more other data types also in MySQL, but most probably these are used. So that is why I have made this video, so that you can understand at least the basic data types of MySQL. First 4 are very simple, and this one is quite a little tricky. That 5 comma 2 which we have written there, you can add up like this way also, 7 comma 3. That means we can add 7 numbers before the dot like this, 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and we can add 3 digits after the dot, any number you can add. Okay, this is how we can add the fractional numbers inside the decimal data type. So that's all for today, and see you in the next video. Take care.